different programs of my age will be included in my videos. So let's slide to the world of talking, speaking and learning. Hi friends, welcome to Sree'sLollipop. Today we will discuss about sentences. What is sentences? Sentences is a group of words that make complete sense. Next, we will go through kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, question sentences, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. Okay, first we will go through assertive sentences. Assertive sentence is also known as declarative sentence, and question sentence is also known as interrogative sentence. Next we are discussing about assertive sentences. In assertive sentence, we will put full stop. Where will we put full stop? In an answer at the end we will put full stop. For example, my name is SreeLakshmi. In the last we will put full stop. Another example is he is going there. It is also an answer. At last we will put full stop. How can we put full stop? We can put full stop like this. Will you see the dot? This. Okay? Next one, question sentence. In question sentence, we will put question mark. Where will we put question mark? When we put question mark, like we say a question to another person, like what are you doing? Where are you going? How are you? It is all a question. In the last, we will put question mark. I say so many examples. Now you say. Very good. You are all doing it very well. Next one, we are going to study that imperative sentence. There are three imperative sentences. What are they? They are command, request and advice. First one, command. Go outside. Come inside. It is command, no? So, it's an example of commands. Next one, request. Please give me some water, please. That is a request. Okay? Next one, advice. Go and bath, brush your teeth regularly. It is a advice. Next one, exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentence, we will put exclamatory mark like this and under a full stop. It is known as exclamatory mark. Where will we put exclamatory mark? Like, wow, amazing, surprise. When we put an exclamatory mark. Okay? I hope you all like my videos and do subscribe my channel and enable the